Macon Bibb County has poured millions of dollars into the Macon violence prevention over the past year. The money pays for services like mental health counseling, youth mentorship opportunities, and even a high-tech gunshot detection system.
Tonight, commissioners heard an update on Mayor Miller's countywide violence prevention program. Anthony Montalto attended the presentation and has some takeaways.
Commissioners met for hours Tuesday afternoon, hearing from 13 different presenters, ranging from community groups to the sheriff himself, all talking about one thing: how to prevent violent crime.
And this is really the first update of the activities of all of the agencies and organizations that are involved in doing things.
Those agencies all had a chance to take to the podium Tuesday and present what they've done to prevent violence countywide. Mayor Lester Miller says he's pretty happy with the results.
7 lawsuits that we filed, each one of those areas, including M&M's, Vice Mart, the Friends Mart, as well as some of the hotels, show a drastic, I'm talking 98% reduction in crime within 3 weeks preceding the shutdown.
M&M Food Mart shut down September 16th after several violent crimes in the area. According to the county's stats, there were 47 shooting incidents in the neighborhood near M&M in the 3 weeks leading up to the closure. Once the shop did close, they saw that number drop to 18.
No other events that have happened in that neighborhood that would have any contribution to this at all. Closing this store is the only precipitating factor that the county is aware of.
The mayor says while crime is up overall this year, he is hopeful because of data they saw Tuesday afternoon showing a strong decrease in crime over the past few months. In downtown Macon, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
According to a crime report from the Bibb Sheriff's Office, violent crimes are up nearly 50%, with overall crime up 15% on the year.
We've learned where some of the criminals are. We've learned where we need to be. We've learned more how to use the ShotSpotter program.
And even though crime numbers are up, Sheriff David Davis presented some positive numbers for commissioners. He told them over the past few months, violent crimes are down about 13% compared to the spring. He also reported almost 50% fewer houses shot at.
The sheriff mentioned they are working on ways to limit the amount of homicides, which broke another record this year. The sheriff thinks domestic violence incidents may be to blame for the high number. The sheriff's office is partnering with the Crisis Line and Safe House of Central Georgia to give deputies domestic violence training.